In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vignette in Luminar Neo. A vignette is a simple yet powerful way to draw attention to your subject by subtly darkening or brightening the edges of your photo. When used well, it guides the viewer's eye and adds a professional finish without shouting for attention. Start by getting your image ready. Open Luminar Neo, then open your photo so it's front and center. If you're working with a larger project, make sure the correct image is selected before you begin. Now switch to edit mode. You can click the Edit option at the top or tap the E key on your keyboard as a quick shortcut. Edit mode is where all the adjustment tools live, and we'll find the vignette controls there. Next, locate the Vignette tool. You'll find it under either the Essentials section or the Professional tools, depending on your layout. Scroll through until you see Vignette and click it to open the controls. This brings up the sliders you'll need to shape the effect. To add the effect, start with the Amount slider. Moving the slider to the left darkens the edges, which is the classic look for a vignette. Moving it to the right brightens the edges for a high-key or airy style. Go slowly and watch the corners of your image as you adjust. A good vignette should be felt more than seen. If it jumps out at you, it's probably too strong. Aim for an effect that gently nudges attention toward the center without creating harsh transitions or halos. Once you have a general feel for the intensity, adjust the size slider. Increasing the size makes the vignette cover more of the image, creating a broader, softer falloff. Decreasing the size tightens the effect around your subject for a more focused look. Think about how prominent you want your subject to be. A larger size is great when you want a subtle overall mood, while a smaller size adds a stronger spotlight effect. Make small changes, then glance away and back at the image to confirm the focus lands where you want it. That's it. With the amount and size sliders, you can create a clean, intentional vignette that enhances your photo rather than distracting from it. Keep the adjustments measured, trust your eye, and let the edges simply support the story your subject is telling.